Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm starting off with a full lace wig that's 613. Now this unit was sent to me from YWigs.com. So this is a pretty thick 613 unit. Now obviously with 613 the ends will be a little bit thick, but I am going to rectify that situation towards the end of the video. Now this unit is very pretty, very thick. It's about 18 inches long, and I'm going to custom color this one with the watercolor method, I guess it's what it is. So we're going to do kind of like a pastels theme. So we're going to go with the pink petal and the soft lavender to give myself kind of like a light pink color or rose gold mix. I am going to actually go in with this unit and do dark roots as well with the Adore. So I did go in with the Adore. I believe the color is soft brown in the number 48, or honey brown in the number 48, and this is what we're going to use to kind of give myself the root. So for this part, I did have to test this out several times to kind of get the colors to be at least a little bit pink. When I did test this one out on the hair, I felt like it wasn't giving me any color whatsoever. So I did have to play around with this a lot to get like a nice kind of rose gold or pastel kind of pink color. So I did put a lot of work into this one. I am going to test it out, and it's not going to fully give me the pink. So I am going to have to go in and just add a little bit more of the color just to kind of give myself the full look. What I'm going to say to you guys, keep testing the hair. Make sure you don't just dunk it in. Just test a string of hair just to make sure it's the right color. And if it's not the desirable color, just keep going in and adding more dye to it to improve the color.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So at this part, I just decided to just dunk the entire unit in. At this part, I kind of got the desirable color that I was looking for. So I'm just going to go in and mix a little bit extra in there just to kind of get myself a really nice pink or kind of lavender, not even lavender, pink or soft kind of like pastel color. This ended up being rose gold, obviously, because the 613 on this wig is actually a really bright 613. It's not that white blonde, it's really a yellow blonde, so it's definitely going to give you that rose gold look. But I'm just going to do this for about like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to start doing the roots.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Alright guys, so I'm going in with the Adore 48 in Honey Brown. So what I'm going to do is just use the back of my comb, and I'm going to comb it into the roots. Now this is a full lace wig, so if you're going to part this and do all this kind of stuff, what I would advise you to do is put this on a mannequin head, split the hair apart, and start doing it section by section. But because I'm only going to style this front ways and kind of some parts, not too deep out, like 6 inches of parting space, I'm only going to root it halfway, 6 inches in, and just a lot in the front area. Now this is going to come out kind of like a weird brown color, but you guys will see what I mean and how I got it to work. With this kind of rose gold color, this is the best way to root it. I think I did a good job. I ain't sure what you guys are gonna think, but I think that this came out pretty cool. And like I said, this is an easier way to kind of make it look more natural when it's coming off of like a 613 or kind of like a pastel color, if you know what I mean. Once you finish tweezing, getting all the hair out, what I'm going to go ahead and do is use my chin to apply to my hairline. So I want to kind of cancel out some of that white cast, and because the hairline color that I did, like the rootage, looks really similar to my skin complexion, it's just easy for me to fade it in with my foundation. I am going to go in and do the rooted space, the parting space with some powder, but like I said, it looks better when you just use a foundation on that type of rooting. I am going to go in and do layers as well. I'm going to kind of make it look pretty and girly and fun. So I am going to go in and put some curls in it and make it look nice, and you guys will end up seeing what the final result looks like. Just keep on watching.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Alright people, so this is the final look of this hair. So this was my second attempt at doing the watercolor. So I actually think that this one actually came out pretty nice compared to the blue that I did. But I did think that the blue one was pretty fire. It came out pretty nice as well too. So this one is a really nice wig, first of all. It's actually pretty thick. I was actually pretty surprised because when you get kind of 613 hair, you don't get kind of texture 613 hair. This hair is kind of like a light yaki texture, so you definitely get some body. But one thing I hate about 613 hair is that ends will always be a little bit thinner. So I did snip the ends off of this one, and if I did not mention before, this wig is from YWigs.com. So it's not YSWigs, this is YWigs.com. So this is the first time I've reviewed a 613 that's actually pretty thick. It has like this nice light yaki texture that is just amazing, and I kind of felt like that texture kind of gives the curl pattern and the curl look a little bit more volume. This time I did not use my texturizer spray to bump this up, but yeah, so overall I think it's nice. So what I did do different with the watercolors, I did go back into the unit and just dye the roots kind of like a light brownish color. I was mimicking like kind of like a look that I've seen before. So when I put that there, I was like, you know, I think it's going to transition well and it's going to kind of make this look kind of nice. So I think it came out pretty cool. I think it kind of goes with the whole color and everything, if you know what I mean, guys. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I was trying to do like a different form of roots with kind of like a light kind of like lavender wig like this. Not lavender, pastel kind of wig. So I was trying something different, but I think it came out pretty good. I think it looks pretty nice. As far as I did use the Ghost Bond and a little bit of Got to Be Glue, and I just, you know, I still have like a little bit of like that kind of like white flaky area off. I did not get that acetone that you guys did recommend in my last video, so I do need to get my hands on that. But the unit is pretty secure. It's a full lace unit, so you can part it just about anywhere. I did only root it in the front hair because I don't do any back styles, but if I do decide to do back styles, I'll just go back in with the Adore a hair dye that I got, and I'll just go ahead and do the back. I think that overall this was a good way to customize this one. The watercolor worked good. I don't know if the watercolor works so much on like the darker colors, but definitely on the lighter colors it definitely works out well. Overall, I think that this looks fabulous. I walked out with this the other day and everyone was like, wow. They like were like, yo, that's like really cool on you. So I definitely like it. So I'm gonna thumbs this one up myself because I think that this came out pretty dope. So guys, I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you want to save some coins and purchase this unit from YWigs.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.